I'm William, Global Product Manager for ABB, and I'm here to make things simple. In the past, ATS design has been really complicated. Using one has always been a complex task. And installing one? Well, just look at all this. A whole host of sensors, controllers, switches, and operator interfaces must be wired up and mounted in an enclosure or panel. This makes installation time-consuming, and all those connections can compromise reliability. TruONE eliminates all the wire harnesses, distributed electronics, voltage transformers, and external controllers. So installation is as easy as putting it in an enclosure and fixing it with 4 screws. That makes installing one about 80% quicker. Every connection we remove means one less potential reliability issue, and we removed dozens. That means far fewer potential failure points and loose connections to find during commissioning. The HMI provides local control of ATS functionality. It can be mounted on the switch itself and can be detached tool-free, providing remote control via an Ethernet cable. Because all the functionality is integrated into the switch itself, the ATS can operate even when the HMI is detached. TruONE eliminates the need to have line voltages connected to the door, increasing the level of protection for operators. The detachable HMI is completely isolated. In addition, the selector switch is housed next to the ATS mechanism and can be accessed easily to switch to manual operation without opening the panel door. You may wonder if all this integration compromises flexibility. In fact, the opposite is true. Snap-on accessories, including current transformers, communication modules, and terminal shrouds all mount within the TruONE footprint without tools or the need for an enclosure or panel to hold everything together. Each TruONE ATS is capable of operating on any line-to-line or line-to-neutral voltage between 200 and 480 volts. So far fewer SKUs are required to handle all applications. But that versatility doesn't mean more complexity. With TruONE's automatic configuration feature, you can have the controller read the voltage system, level, phase order, frequency type, and where the neutral pole is located, whether to the right or to the left, with a simple click. All you have to do afterwards is set up the time delays and you're ready to go. Once it's all configured, you can download and upload the setting into multiple systems, cutting commissioning time considerably. Are you ready to replace complexity with simplicity? Then you're ready for TruONE, the world's first purpose-built ATS. Visit us at abb.com for more information.